Morning guys, today we're going to go out on the bikes again with my dad. Say morning George, and don't say it the way I think you're going to say it.
Good morning.
There you go. Today we're going to go through to Crafty in Drymen, I think. There's a cool wee bridge that goes over the water. I'm going to show you. I think it'll be pretty cool. Also later on today, me and Natalie are going to paint some gnomes. We bought some blank gnomes. As you can see, Natalie's not here with us now because she can't cycle. So we're going to paint some blank gnomes and we're going to put them in our garden later on. Maybe we'll cook something for you. We're not quite sure. Right guys.
Let's go.
Right guys, that's us just come out of Crafty. There's just this wee gate here. Where my dad is, we're going to go directly across the road there, join onto the cycle path, and hopefully just up there is going to be the wee bridge. So this is us just coming up on the bridge over the water, which is pretty cool. Whoa, almost crashed there. Check this out. This is pretty hard to do with one hand. I'm just going to stop. This is us just going across this bridge. I decided to stop because I couldn't do it one-handed. As you can see, look at all the grates in the ground. This is pretty cool. I do like this part, the water. We'll just go slowly across here. So guys, after our failed attempt at trying to cycle across this bridge, I thought we would just come and take you on it, just walk across it. It's pretty cool this bit, George, isn't it?
Yeah, I like that. House up there.
There's George's new house in the distance. Can you guys, hopefully you can hear the sheep going crazy, aren't they? It's as if like they've just all woke up. I don't know where they're going.
I'm not too chuffed to get moved, eh?
No, they're not. But how cool is this bridge? Just look through the grates here, if you can see it better. I mean, it doesn't actually look, oh there you go, you can see it down through the water there. I really do like this bit here, it's pretty cool. So after we come off the bridge, we're just going to keep going straight on here, and it'll bring us out just before Drymen, and then we'll see you at Drymen. So just after the bridge, we come through this wee gate here, and you can go straight up that way. But we're going to take the left here where my dad is to Drymen. You've got a wee bit here saying that it's the cycle route. I think it's actually part of the West Highland Way, isn't it? Too busy just looking at that horse there, and I didn't realise that we just hit a massive hill. Oh, I'm struggling. How you feeling, Dad?
Yeah, well.
Felt better? Who said cycling's good for you? After following that road all the way down, we come to the main road, and you can go down the way, the cycle path goes up there, but I think, as you can see my dad, we're going to go up the way into Drymen. So not long after we took the right back there, there's a wee bit just up here where it says slow. We're going to go left into Drymen, and we're going to come from the top of Drymen. Right guys, that's me just back from my cycle, and as you can see, Natalie's here. The cycle's quite good. Sorry I didn't show you as going into Drymen. We literally just went into Drymen and then just straight back home. So we're now going to paint the gnomes that I told you about. Natalie bought these kits here, garden gnome painting, and Natalie's already opened hers, so she's got it out here. Pretty cool wee guy, isn't it? Aye, they're ceramic. I thought they were plastic actually.
No.
No?
Garden gnome.
Aye, pretty cool. So these will get added to our collection. Here's what comes with it, the colours, but we're going to use these paints or my paints.
I'm going to use a mixture of both, I think.
Right, okay, so this is what comes with it. Some paints. Natalie made a wee guy the other day. How cool is he?
He's not finished painting.
Oh, what did I get the white for?
It's probably
No, that's for the ceramic. There's like a dusting on the gnomes. Oh, it's all on my clays.
What's ceramic? That's what happens.
And then also, oh, I just dropped them all there. Natalie bought these markers.
They've got acrylic paint on them.
Acrylic paint markers. So we might try some of these as well. Some acrylic paint markers. Right, we get painting them and then we can add them to our collection.
Yes. How exciting. So it started to rain, so we won't be putting our guys out just now, but I just wanted to show you who he's going to be joining. I'm a pretty big gnome fan. So I've got a few zombie gnomes. They've seen better days, let's be honest, but I love them. Some little mushroom men. A little Spock, he's the cutest. Okay, Radagast kind of guy. He looks after the garden. This big toadstool. Buddha. Rigby the garden pug, and some birds. And this is our newest friend Harry. He watches the gardens. Flowers are friends, not food. So they both went for completely different styles. I turned mine into an adorable Pennywise. How cute is he? Look at his little cheeky face. He's going to be great in the garden.
And after seeing Natalie's, I'm a wee bit gutted because my poor wee guy, look at him. He's not that great, is he?
I think he's cute.
I was going for like an all over face thing, but as you can see I missed out all the face really. It was taking too long to do all these dots, so this is basically what I came up with. We're going to varnish them and then we'll put them out hopefully tomorrow. So guys, there you have it. I went cycle with my dad to Drymen today, then I came home, got Natalie, and we done some gnomes. Pretty cool, eh?
Mine's his best.
Is it really? Leave a comment, let us know who's his best. I think mine. Nah, I'm looking on, I think yours is better.
He's so cute.
That is better. They're pretty cool, it was a good wee idea, so.
They're like $7.99 off at Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you can get them in like with the
B&M or something like that?
The works or
no.
B&M and stuff like that. Yeah, there's lots of different types of paint your own. There's like paint your own dinosaur, paint your own mermaid.
Oh, paint your own dinosaur would be pretty cool actually.
It would be really cool.
That's
Maybe
cool.
we'll do more.
Maybe, aye. Right guys, thanks very much for watching. Give us a like and subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.